So here is Nick Cannon promoting his movie King of the Dancehall on The Breakfast Club. In it, he makes some interesting statements about Vybz Kartel and Beanie Man. Please stay tuned and listen.
Are there reggae? What reggae artists are in it?
Beanie Man.
Gotta have Beanie Man in it.
Kamani Marley. Beanie Man's the narrator.
Okay.
So it's like it's called King of the Dancehall.
Right,
He's the
that's
narrator.
He's the king of the
yeah,
dancehall.
yeah. So and everybody's in it. Vybz Kartel is not in it, but he helped me with the backstories. He got his new Vybz Kartel music in the movie.
Like
I
from jail.
Yeah. We was.
studio.
It was real.
Yeah, he's
I ain't gonna
recorded in
reveal
jail.
how he gets it done, but he gets it done.
Oh boy. So here's the thing. I don't want to add or take away anything from this story, but I would love to hear what you guys are thinking. You know, did Nick Cannon just basically tell the whole world that Vybz Kartel is, you know, recording in prison? Or, I mean, at this point, does it even matter? But yeah, I just want to know, what do you guys think? Just comment in the section down below. Let's hear what you have to say, all right?
No, but I wasn't wrong.